you don't know what to wear, gotta do another load. If your closet getting full, you can see it overflow. Wanna show a little